We've gone onto a gravel toll road called the Autosleeper. It's going to be a 30-40 kilometre gravel track through the mountains heading over towards Lom. It looks beautiful.
It's an adventure.
It's certainly an adventure. I don't think Billy's been on a gravel track this length before. Hopefully it'll be wild. Maybe be able to stay up somewhere up in the mountains here. So we made it to the very top and then it's blocked. Last few K is just footpath. But we did see
I heard a reindeer!
Yeah. Unfortunately you're not allowed to approach them, and so they were quite a way away, but there must have been a good 50 or so of them.
Yeah, it was a big herd.
Yeah. And as you were saying, you could see them through the binoculars, but most you couldn't see any antlers, so it must be later in the season they get them. Interesting. But absolutely wild, absolutely beautiful up here, and almost for the first time no mobile service up here at all.
No, nothing.
It's because we're in the Jotenheimen National Park, the other side to where we were earlier on this trip. It's a steady gravel climb. It's a toll road again. We're heading up to a beautiful valley. Plenty of steep gradients so far. In the trees at the moment. Hopefully we'll get the views before long. I think we've got a little vicious kicker, a little 16-20% coming up first before we get into the valley proper. There's hints of blue sky, always a bonus. Let's hope for a good ride. So good morning.
Morning. I was steamed up.
And where are we this morning?
We're at Galdhoppingen, which is in the Visdalen Valley, and we're riding up the valley to a hiking area that people hike up to the highest mountain in Norway, and I can't remember what it's called. Oh, the Galdhoppingen. So yeah, we're gonna cycle up the valley. It's about 10 miles up, I think, and hopefully we'll get some good views, and the clouds are lifting and I can see some blue sky. Yeah, it's been steep gravel so far. Yeah. Hoping for some views soon. Let's go and have some fun.
hopefully we're getting near the top now. It's opened out a bit more. Less trees. The wind's getting a bit fresher now. What a climb.
Wobbly.
So worth the 2,200 feet of climbing.
Yeah.
We only really got the views at the end.
The last mile out of 10.
Yeah. From now on it's just hiking territory. It's a shame we can't get the drone up here, but it's a national park and it's pretty windy. So we'll just have to enjoy the views from this camera. And they are great. What a bit of a mile of tarmac at the top of this climb. There are so many lichens growing around here, around the trees, light coloured lichen. It looks spectacular and almost looks like snow at times. It's just really very, very pretty, isn't it? Mm. Very typical of this part of Norway when we've been more inland from the fjords. Good morning.
Morning.
And we've got a gap in the rain, a little bit of blue sky. And where are we?
We're at Gjende Lake, which is meant to be one of the most beautiful lakes in Norway. And you can catch the boat all the way down to the other end of the lake to a place called Memorubu. And then people catch the boat down there and then they hike along this huge ridge all the way along the top. And it takes about 8 hours to get from one end to the other. It's pretty strenuous. And you have to have quite a bit of hiking gear with you because there's lots of snow on the top still. So one not for the faint-hearted.
We, on the other hand, are just going to do a little gentle stroll at the bottom and to soak in the views.
Arctic violets are amongst the earliest spring flowers. They can appear as early as April, as soon as the snowdrifts start to melt. And locally the flower is called the goat flower.
So good morning, and another beautifully sunny day, which makes a change.
It's 2 degrees.
It is 2 degrees though, and the wind is absolutely howling, at least in this valley at the top here. We are on the Jotenheimenvegen, which is another gravel toll road going along this lake. I think it's only opened in the last couple of weeks after the snow, because we're quite high up, probably about 1300 meters up. And we were going to cycle it, but the wind's so strong. When I was reading the toll sign outside, I nearly blew me over. So we thought maybe we'll drive it instead. The scenery looks stunning. I don't think we were going to be able to get the drone up because it's way too windy, but we'll try and get some good footage, and it'll be fun. You okay, missus?
Yeah, it's just nice to come out and experience it. We didn't want to miss out. So we thought, well, if we can't cycle it, we'll drive it instead.